All right, let's get right into it. Today, we're breaking down Yokohama's latest financial report, and, well, it's nothing short of historic. The company just posted its best 9-month results ever. So let's figure out what that really means.
So, yeah, when you strip away all the corporate speak, what's the actual story here? Especially for a U.S. tire dealer. That's exactly what we're here to unpack.
Let's just start with the headline number, because it's a big one. A 20.8% jump in business profit, year over year. Now, this isn't just a little bump, no. This is a massive surge, and it's a huge signal about how well the company is doing.
And that surge? It's just one piece of a much bigger picture. Seriously, we're not just looking at a good quarter. This is a genuinely record-breaking performance for Yokohama.
Let me be crystal clear about this. The first 9 months of 2025, they were the strongest in the company's entire history. We're talking every single key metric, sales, profit, you name it, hitting an all-time high. This isn't just an uptick, it's a whole new benchmark for them.
Okay, so let's pull back the curtain a little bit and look at the actual financials. The numbers themselves, they paint a really vivid picture of success pretty much everywhere you look.
You know, what's really interesting here is just how consistent the growth is. Sales revenue is up 12%. That's nearly $6 billion. Business profit, like we said, is up that huge 20.8%. And even operating profit and net profit saw really healthy gains. I mean, no matter how you slice it, the trend is just undeniably strong.
Now, this number right here might be the most important one of all. They hit a record 11.5% business profit margin. Think about that. It means Yokohama isn't just selling more tires, they're making more money on every single one they sell. And that kind of profitability, that's what's really turning heads.
So, where is all this crazy growth coming from? Well, it probably won't surprise you to hear that the answer is overwhelmingly clear. It is all about the tires.
Just look at this breakdown. The tire segment makes up over 90% of their total revenue. I mean, sure, their other business, the multiple business or MB segment with things like industrial products, it's stable. But the tire division is the undisputed engine powering this whole thing.
And if we zoom in on that huge tire segment, the growth is really coming from 3 key spots: the consumer replacement market, new original equipment or OE fitments on brand new cars, and that absolute powerhouse, the off-highway tire division. And for all you dealers in the US, this part is key. A big reason for their success is that they're supplying more OE tires for new SUVs and CUVs being built right here in North America. Why does that matter? Well, more Yokohama tires on new cars today means way more replacement opportunities for you tomorrow.
The other huge story here is in that off-highway or OHT segment. You know that recent acquisition of Goodyear's OTR business? It's already paying off in a big way. It's totally supercharging their multi-brand strategy with names you know like Midas, Alliance, and Galaxy, and it's letting them blow past market demand in both Europe and North America.
Okay, so we know what's growing, but why is it so profitable? What's the secret sauce? What's the strategy that's turning all these sales into record-breaking profit margins?
It really boils down to a 4-part recipe for success. First, pretty simple, they're selling more tires. But second, and this is crucial, they're focusing on high-value, high-margin products. Third, they're just getting better at improving profitability in other areas. And finally, this is all part of a very deliberate long-term plan they call YX 2026.
This quote from their own report gets right to the heart of that high-value strategy. The growth isn't just in any old tires. Nope, it's specifically in their premium ADVAN performance line, the super popular GEOLANDAR line for trucks and SUVs, winter tires, and of course, those bigger, high-inch products. That's where the real money is.
All right, so let's bring it all home. We've seen the incredible numbers, we've seen the strategy behind them. What are the actual concrete takeaways for a tire dealer right here in the States?
So here's the bottom line. First, you're going to want to double down on your ADVAN and GEOLANDAR inventory. That is clearly where Yokohama's focus is. Second, get ready for more replacement sales coming from all those new North American SUVs and CUVs. Third, your OTR game just got a lot stronger. You now have a much more diverse portfolio to sell. And finally, Yokohama isn't backing down from its ambitious full-year forecast. That shows some serious confidence in the market, which, you gotta admit, is pretty great news for everybody.
So we'll leave you with this final thought to chew on. Yokohama has made it crystal clear that their strategy is all about premium, high-value, high-margin tires. So the real question for you is,
How are you going to adapt your own sales strategy to ride that very powerful wave? Thanks for tuning in.